Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do just a quick video to show you some things to check on your Colecovision if you're getting no audio or very weak or distorted audio. There are easy things to check that may solve your problem without having to buy a new sound chip or do an AV mod. Stay tuned. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to take this thing apart and get to the main circuit board and the RF modulator. Let's get started.
Now we're going to start off by removing the 3 screws on the front panel. Unfortunately, you're going to have to remove your label, but if you're careful, you can glue it back on later. Next, let's flip the unit over and remove the screws on the bottom side. After that, we can remove the couple of screws that hold the RF shield in place, and then towards the back, we can remove the cover for the RF modulator. Now, as we can hear, we're not getting any audio from the sound chip. All we're getting is static from this unit. So we're going to have to do some adjustments on the potentiometer for the audio alignment, and that is the one closest to the RF plug on the back. Turn it very slowly back and forth until you can notice some difference in the sound. Now here we're getting a little bit better sound, but it's not perfect. So we're going to give it another couple of turns, try it, tune it in, and then success. Finally some good sound.
Now this won't fix it 100% of the time, but it's worth checking before you spend money on an AV mod or doing something else like replacing the sound chip. If you do have to do an AV mod or replace the chip, that's up to you. The chips are still available pretty cheap out there, and the AV mod, that may be something we do down the road on this anyway, because I'd like to get better audio and video out of it. Well, for now, that's all we have. Make sure if you're not subscribed, you please do. It really helps out the channel, and like this video. And we'll see you guys next time.